What's up, guys? Today I will teach you how to first use your mouth on the iPad, and also at the same time how to load or sync your file from your PC to your iPad with a USB key. So let's get started. So first, let me. So I have this USB-C hub, which is I bought for other computers before, because one side have USB-C, the other side you have few USB-A port, and also you have some memory SD card port, and also VGA port, HDMI port. It's very neat design. So first thing we need to do is we need to power this USB-C hub so that you can charge your iPad while you're doing work. So you plug in a USB-C charger on one side, and the other side you plug in to your iPad. So, and then let me record my iPad screen. Alright, so now it's working. So first step, you have to make sure that you update your operating system. So initially I find I don't have this sort of options at the beginning. So you have to make sure your iPad is updated to the latest and greatest software version. So you can go through general and check the software update. So you should be able to see this is iOS 13.1.2 and it said your software is up to date, which is great. So next up, you go to this accessibility option, and over there you have touch. So you go to touch and go to this assistive touch, and then default is off, so you have to turn it on. After you turn it on, you could see this little circle for your, like, it's basically your mouse arrow here. And if you don't like the original or the default setting, also have the always show menu options on, which is this little dot here. So you could turn it off by just turn it off if you don't like. So basically the mouth, you can point or you can click. If you long click, you can drag up and down. If you right click, it's gonna bring this shortcut like the control center to you. So, okay, so that's how you can use your mouth on your iPad. I was thinking that for other Android device or Windows device or any other operating system, usually when you plug in a mouth, you don't need to go through all these settings, but unfortunately in iOS you have to go through all this. But anyway, it works, so no complaint. And second, how to what I find is in iMovie 2.2.8, which is the latest and greatest build, what I find is I cannot sync my file from iTunes anymore for some reason. However, I find a workaround, which is actually easier, right? So you have a USB flash drive. You can take that flash drive and load whatever file you want to that key, and then you plug in this onto this USB-C hub. And then the next step you need to do is basically go back to this folder file, and then you see you can browse so I have this no name USB-C key here. So you actually can browse all the files in that key, and then you can find actually your video that you want to load to your iMovie or share to your iMovie for a new project, right? So what you need to do is you go to the upper right corner, you see this icon, share icon. You just click that share icon, and actually you can share this one to either AirDrop or message and so on and so forth. And here you can see that open in iMovie. So if you click that, this file will be automatically added to the iMovie. So in that way, you can actually get your file out from the USB key to your iPad. Okay, so that's it for today. If you want to learn other tricks for iPad or other device, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.